Welcome the our channel. Today we how to backup utility and address proof for insurance with OpenPhone. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To backup utility and address proof for insurance using OpenPhone, start by opening the OpenPhone app on your device. Once the app is open, log in using your credentials. From the main dashboard, locate the Messages tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Messages to access your conversation list. Now, select the chat window that you wish to use for sending your documents. If you don't have an existing chat for this purpose, you can create a new message by tapping the message icon. Enter the recipient's number or select a contact from your list. Next, prepare the utility bill or address proof document you wish to back up. Ensure the document is scanned or photographed clearly. Once you have the document ready, go back to the OpenPhone app. In your selected chat window, tap the attachment icon, usually represented by a paperclip. Choose the option to attach a photo or document. Navigate through your files to find the utility bill or address proof. Select the file to upload it to the chat. After the file has been uploaded, you can include a brief message if necessary. Finally, press the send button to deliver the document to the recipient. Your utility and address proof for insurance will now be backed up securely in that chat. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.